Hey, what's good, YouTube? What's good, man? This is me. You know what I'm saying? My name is you know what I'm saying? So, how many subscribers I got? Let me see. 0. All right, so look, this is the road to 1K, okay? This is the road to 1K cuz I'm at 0. Settle. And I heard you need more than that to be successful, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm here today, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be here tomorrow if tomorrow is today. And that's how it goes, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all are having a good old, what's today? 24th of October, a good today. And, you know what I'm saying? Drink water, stay hydrated. Calm down a little bit. I got my incense burning. I'm going to show you. Oh, that's what it looks like. It's on fire a little bit. I don't know what it is. It smells good, though. It's like, if you ever walk into a smoke shop and they got incense burning, that's what it smells like. You should go there sometime. Get you some incense. Calms you down. You know what I'm saying? What do I got to talk about today? I got my tea going. I got my water boiling. I'm gonna have me some chai tea, a little bit of turmeric and ginger. Start my day off. It's currently 9:35 in the morning. It's great. I'm happy I'm here. I hope I don't burn my water. I don't know if you can burn water. I hope I don't burn it dry, you know? That's what they be saying. But yeah. They say it's not awkward if you don't say it's awkward. It's kind of like we're sitting in a room together. I hope you don't judge me. But if you do judge me, put it in the comments. Tell me what you think about me. And I'll respond with another video. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What's on my lens? Damn, I hope I ain't just smudge that shit. Smudge that stuff. Smudge that junk, my bad. Yeah, I'm just doing it on the this is a Samsung Samsung WB 100. Keep it 300 like the Romans. But we only got 100 right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna upgrade in the near future. Get y'all with the hold on, I think my tea is done. I'm gonna be right back. Oh my god. Alrighty. Cheers. Got my honey, you know what I'm saying? Got it looking all. Let me see. Oh shit. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh crap. Look at that. It's all hot and steamy. Some good old content, you know what I'm saying? Tea in the morning calms you down, helps with the anxiety, especially chai tea. I just got the honey because I like my stuff a little sweeter, a little bit of taste to it. Just like that. Then what you do is you get you a bowl and you put it on top. You let it steep. It's called steeping. For about, I'd say about 5 minutes. So all the herbs, ingredients, whatever you put into your tea, they can infuse into the hot water and get you some good old fashioned brew. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're here. I'm gonna wait for that to get done steeping, and I'm gonna just talk to y'all a little bit about myself. I'm a young male in America, out here trying to live my life. You know what I'm saying? I woke up this morning feeling a little bit good, positive, this and that, and the third. Drinking my water and all that, staying hydrated. About me. I don't know where to start, man. Just put it in the comments, man. What do you want to know? What sticks out? You know, I'm just here. You know, turn the camera on myself for the one time. Really excited to see where this goes. You know, I'm a little. It's like a first date or something. It's like those first basketball shots, you know, when you first start playing the game, you know, just warm up, heat check, you feel me? Oh, what else about me? I'm multiracial, multi, I'm multiracial. I'm probably like Mongolian descent, you know what I'm saying? Genghis Khan was out here doing his thing, you know what I'm saying? I like tea. I like tea. You know what else I like? I like to play video games. I like to waste my time playing video games. You know, it's real time consuming. I also like the sun. I like going outside in nature. I'm not in nature today, obviously, you know what I'm saying? But that is to come. I'll go on a little journey with y'all, whatever, you know, whatever's popping, you know what I'm saying? I like, you know, I need to work on my diction, so that I can speak properly to the people, to my subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Regular people, nations, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing. But I feel like this is content though, because it's just me being myself. I think somebody will like it. Somebody, you know, somewhere. I like dogs and cats and animals. Well, I mean animals. I like dogs and cats specifically, just off the top of my dome, but I got some lizards. I don't have some lizards, like I don't own them, but they happen to be trapped in a cage in my house, you know what I'm saying? They're like enslaved. It's kind of bogus, but they're alright, you know? They eat carrots and spinach and stuff, and they be happy about it, so. Yeah, like and subscribe, or dislike and subscribe, you know? You got free will. Do what you want, you know? Power to you. And I'll see you next time. Drink water. Peace.